What are the divisibility rules for 11, 7, and 13? These are techniques to identify right away if a number can be divided exactly by 11, 7, and 13 without doing long division. These also help us identify if 11, 7, and 13 are factors of a given number. What is the divisibility rule for 11? Follow the following steps. First, add alternating digits. Second, subtract the sums. Third and last, divide the difference by 11. For example, 1260. Add alternating digits such as 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. Add also alternating digits such as 2 and 0, which gives us a sum of 2. Subtract the sums 7 and 2. We get 5. Then divide 5 by 11. Is 5 divisible by 11? No. Therefore, 1260 is not divisible by 11, and 11 is not a factor of 1260. Another example, 473,913. Is this divisible by 11? First, we have to add alternating digits such as 4, 3, and 1. The sum of these digits is 8. Add also alternating digits such as 7, 9, and 3, which gives us a sum of 19. The difference between 19 and 8 is 11. Is 11 divisible by 11? Yes, of course. Therefore, 473,913 is divisible by 11, and 11 is a factor of 473,913. What is the divisibility rule for 7? Follow the following simple steps. Multiply the ones digit by 5. Then add the product to the remaining. Then divide the result by 7. For example, 1425. The ones digit is 5. Multiply it by 5. So we get 25. Add it to 142 for the digits 1, 4, 2. We get a sum of 167. It is not yet obvious that 167 is divisible by 7. So we have to do the process again. Multiply the ones digit by 5. So we get 35. Add it to 16. We get a sum of 51. Is 51 divisible by 7? No. Since 51 is not divisible by 7, then 1425 is not divisible by 7, and 7 is not a factor of 1425. Another example, 4158. Multiply the ones digit by 5. We get 40. Add it to 415. We get a sum of 455. Then multiply again the ones digit 5 by 5. We get 25. Add it to 45. The result is 70. Is 70 divisible by 7? Yes. Since 70 is divisible by 7, then 4158 is divisible by 7. And 7 is a factor of 4158. Let's proceed to the divisibility rule for 13. It is similar to 7. It's just that you have to multiply the ones digit by 4 and then divide the result by 13. Before we will have an example, let's get ourselves familiar with the multiples of 13. We have 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 117, and so on. Example, 2,899. Multiply the ones digit 9 by 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Add it to 289. We get a sum of 306. 25. Then multiply again 5 by 4. And then we get 20. Add 20 to 32. So we have a result of 52. Is 52 one of the multiples of 13? Can we divide 52 by 13? Yes. Since 52 is divisible by 13, then 2,899 is divisible by 13, or 13 is a factor of 2,899. Another example, 6,853. Is this divisible by 13? Let's multiply the ones digit 3 by 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Add it to 685. We get a sum of 697. Then let's multiply again 7, or the ones digit, by 4. 7 times 4 is equivalent to 28. Add it to 69 and we get 97. Is 97 in the multiples of 13? No. Therefore, 97 is not divisible by 13. And because of that, 6,853 is not divisible by 13, or 13 is not a factor of 6,853. For your exercises, write yes if the given numbers are divisible by 7, 11, or 13, and no if it is not. Kindly pause the video if you want to do these by yourself. These are the answers. Thank you for watching. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions that the Lord will provide. In this lesson, we follow a few simple steps to determine the divisibility of a number by 7, 11, and 13. In life, we can also follow simple biblical bases to avoid complex circumstances. Be quick to listen and slow to speak, slow to get angry, and quick to forgive. This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay math teacher.